Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q7 fog light. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shocks. Next, remove the inner wheel arch liner by turning the wheel and unfastening clips to access the housing. Use a T25 Torx and trim tool to remove retaining screws and unplug the bulb connector. Carefully install the new assembly, secure fasteners, and test the light before finishing. Begin by turning the wheel fully to improve access and removing the wheel arch liner fasteners. Carefully pull back the liner to expose the fog light housing and identify the retaining screws. Unscrew the fasteners with a Torx driver, then gently unplug the wiring connector from the back of the assembly. Remove the old lamp, inspect the wiring for corrosion, and clean the mounting area before preparing the new fog light for installation. Place the replacement fog light into the housing and align it with the mounting tabs, then hand tighten the screws to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the electrical plug and briefly reconnect the battery to test operation and beam alignment. Once confirmed, fully tighten fasteners, refit the wheel arch liner, and secure all plastic clips. Finally, check beam position and road illumination, and ensure all tools and old parts are properly stored or recycled.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.